I am from GovGraphs Maths Hub. I shall discuss and explain question number 7, exercise 5.4. Differentiate the function under root e raised to power under root x with respect to x. Here I have written solution implied that let the function y equal to under root e raised to power under root x. Again I shall write implied that y equal to here under root e raised to power under root x can be written as e raised to power under root x whole के power 1/2. The things given inside the bracket will be taken as 1 unit. E raised power under root x will be treated as 1 unit. So here I shall write differentiating WRT x, we shall get implied that d over dx of y equal to d over dx of e raised के power under root x whole के power 1/2. Here d will be conjugated with y, it will become dy over dx equal to the whole function will be differentiated with respect to x, comes out to be 1/2 e raised के power under root x raised के power 1/2 minus 1 dot and d over dx of under root x shall be written. Just I shall explain it once again. 1/2 minus 1 it will become, and d over dx of e raised के power under root x. First of all, the whole function e raised power under root x will be differentiated with respect to x. So this value will get, and subsidiary value will get d over dx e raised power under root x will get. Again I shall write dy over dx equal to 1/2 e raised के power under root x whole के power minus 1/2 dot d over dx of e raised के power under root x. You will get here e raised के power under root x dot d over dx of under root x. Now it comes out to be dy over dx equal to 1/2 and comes out to be 1 over e raised के power under root x whole के power 1/2, and here you will get e raised के power under root x, and here again d/dx is equal to x raised के power 1/2. Now dy/dx equal to 1/2 dot 1/under root e raised के power under root x, like this, and here I shall write e raised के power under root x dot 1/2 dot x raised के power -1/2. You will get here dy/dx equal to this will 2 will multiply to this 2, it comes out to be 1/4 and in numerator you will get e raised के power under root x, and here x raised के power -1/2 will become here I shall write under root e raised के power under root x dot here under root x I shall write, comes out to be dy/dx equal to e raised के power under root x whole over 4, this under root e raised के power under root x and this under root x both will be multiplied together. You will get here under root x dot e raised के power under root x. This will be the correct answer. This is the correct answer you have got. Now again we shall try to understand this thing in another way. Here the function let y equal to under root e raised के power under root x. This can be written as y equal to e raised के power under root x whole raised के power 1/2 this is 2. Now what we'll do next? Next I shall explain here let e raised के power under root x equal to u. Then what we'll do next? And let under root x equal to v. This thing you have got. So what we'll do? Here this can be written as x raised के power 1/2 equal to v dwrt x. You will get here d/dx x raised के power 1/2 equal to d/dx of v. You will get here 1/2 x raised के power -1/2 equal to dv over dx implies that 1 over 2 in bracket under root x is equal to dv over dx you have got. Now again this here I shall take implied that e raised to power under root x. In place of under root x I shall write v. It will become e raised to power v equal to u. Here I shall write dwrt v d over dv e raised to power v d over dv of u. You will get here e raised to power v du over dv you have got. Du over dv you have got. Implied that e raised to power in place of v I shall write under root x comes out to be du over dv. You have got this one du over dv. This is du over dv you have got, and here you will get, if you put here implied that y equal to e raised to power under root x, you will get here u. The here y equal to u raised to power 1 over 2. So again I shall write y equal to u raised to power 1 over 2 dy over du d over du u raised to power 1 over 2 comes out to be 1 over 2 u minus 1 over 2. You will get here 1 over 2. Here you will get in bracket under root u. 1 over 2 you will get here under root 2. It will become dy over du equal to 1 over 2 in bracket under root u. Under root u, in place of under root u I shall write e raised to power under root x. This thing will be written. Now by applying chain rule, put the value chain rule. If you do here by chain rule, then here you will get dy over dx equal to dy over du, du over dv into dv over dx. You will get here final answer dy over dx equal to, put the value dy over du, dy over du, dy over du I shall take this value. You will get here 1 over 2 in bracket under root e raised to power under root x, this thing dot du over dv I shall take this one, the e raised to power under root x dot dv over dx I shall take 1 over 2 under root x. The final result you will get 2 will multiply to this 2 comes out to be 4, or here you will get under root x dot e raised to power under root x, and numerator you will get e raised to power under root x. So here, just compiling, answer you will get e raised के power under root x. You have got whole over 4 in bracket under root x e raised के power under root x. This will be the correct answer. Just check the answer. dy over dx is equal to e raised के power under root x will be in bracket whole over 4 dot under root x dot e raised के power under root x. This will be the correct answer you have got here. E raised के power under root x whole over 4 dot under root x dot e raised के power under root x. This will be the correct answer you have got. In this way I have explained the solution of this question in detail in two different ways. In first way you can do, or in second way you can do like this. This is the proper explanation and solution of question number 7 that has been taken from exercise 5.4 chapter 5 continuity and differentiability. Either way, either this way or this way, this question can be solved. I think the another way, the solution of question is more easier as compared to previous one. Okay, thanks.